See, to find the best credit cards, we have built a very detailed model where we compared almost all credit cards in India on 50 different parameters, and we have found the best credit cards in each category. I am sure many of you have seen this model before, and many people even ask for access to this model in the comments. That is why in this video we have brought a very good solution. The solution is not what you are expecting. It is far more interesting than that. In fact, if you are thinking of applying for any credit card, I guarantee you that if you watch this video till the end, you will only benefit. You will get the names of best credit cards of 2026 anyway, but more than that, you will get a great bonus too. Zomint is the first channel to make such a detailed model, and in 2026, we have taken things to the next level. We are bringing something super interesting and super exciting for you. With that, let's see the best credit cards in 2026 in different categories. But before sharing the names, a disclaimer. In this video, we will not cover 100% details of the cards. If we do that, this video will become 1 hour long. So we will only cover important stuff. Don't comment saying that we did not tell this detail of this card. We want to keep this video super focused so that you get the maximum worth of your time. First of all, the most obvious category, best lifetime free credit card. And there is a quite obvious pick in this, Amazon ICICI credit card. I think this is the only credit card in our list which has held its position for the last 6 years. I think this card has become almost everyone's favorite. Honestly, this is one of my favorite cards too. I've been personally using this card since the last 5 years and have never been disappointed with it. The main USP of this card is that it offers 5% cashback on Amazon for Prime users, 3% for non-Prime members, and 2% cashback with Amazon merchant partners like Big My Trip, Domino's, Dunzo, Uber, Urban Company, etc. In fact, there are 100 plus partners where you can earn this 2% cashback. Apart from this, on all other payments except fuel and gold, it offers 1% cashback. Amazon ICICI credit card is one of the few cards which still offer 2% cashback on insurance payment. You get this 2% if you pay via Amazon Pay, otherwise you get 1% cashback on insurance payments. Just the biggest downside of this card is that the acceptability of the card is quite limited. The chances of getting it are generally low. Just because of this reason, this card may not suit everyone. In such a case, alternatively, I will recommend Credit Pay Yes Bank Ace Rupee credit card. This is a very simple, no nonsense UPI credit card with decent rewards across all spend categories. This is also one of the best cards in the UPI category. Until 2025, this card was giving you flat 2% cashback on all UPI spends without any capping. In 2026, they have made this 2% into 3%, so now you will get 3% flat cashback on all UPI spends. But yes, you will get this cashback only when you do UPI transactions on the Credit Pay app. Now you must be thinking why we are not recommending the Super Money credit card. That is also lifetime free and gives 5% cashback. Here, I would like to clarify that Super Money has multiple variants, one with Kotak and one with Axis. You get 5% cashback with the Kotak one, and that too only on Myntra. Normally, Super Money card also offers 3% cashback. Credit Pay normally is giving 3% cashback, but if your monthly spends are more than 25,000, then you will get 5% cashback on all UPI spends. If this was not enough, you can earn a 6 to 24% discount on brands like Amazon Pay, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, etc. from this UPI cashback. You will get shopping vouchers of these brands on the Credit Pay app. You can buy these vouchers using cashback at a discount of 6 to 24%. To apply for this card, your minimum age should be 21 and minimum 25,000 per month salary and minimum 720 CIBIL score. Without that, you will not get the card. If you apply for this card, then you will get a joining bonus of rupees 1000. So look, this is like free money because the card is lifetime free. You are getting 1000 rupees just for linking on the Credit Pay app. Our next category is best card for online food delivery and grocery shopping. See, we have noticed that over the past 3 to 4 years, everyone's expenses in this particular category have increased a lot. So we are adding this as a separate category this year. In this category, my first pick would be Swiggy HDFC credit card. As a welcome benefit with this card, you get a complimentary 3 month Swiggy One membership. If you already have a membership, you can extend it by 3 months. The main USP of this card is that you get 10% cashback on Swiggy, including food orders, Instamart, Dine Out, and Genie. Honestly, I haven't seen any beginner's card where you get 10% cashback, and the good part is that the limit of this cashback is 1500 per month, which is really good. Additionally, you also get 5% cashback on online spends on platforms like Nika, Book My Show, Ola, Mintra, Amazon, Uber, etc. This also has a limit of 1500 per month. Apart from this, on all other payments except fuel, rent, wallet loading, and EMI, it offers 1% cashback. Honestly, I feel this is one of those cards which has the potential to become as popular as Amazon ICICI in 2 to 3 years. Although the annual fee of this card is 500 plus GST, many people are getting it for free. Every time I open my Swiggy app, I see this card being offered for lifetime free. If you spend even 2000 to 3000 a month on food ordering and groceries, this card should be in your portfolio. To apply for this card, your minimum salary should be 25,000 per month and CIBIL score should be 700 plus. In this category, you could also consider HSBC Life Plus. This card gives you cash back of 10% on grocery, food delivery, and dining spends, and 1.5% on all other spends. This card comes with a joining and annual fees of 999 plus GST. But if you do a transaction of 20,000 in the first 30 days with this card, then you will get a cashback of 1000. To waive off annual fees, you will have to spend minimum 2 lakhs in 1 year. Along with this, you get one complimentary domestic launch access per quarter, which honestly could have been better. But honestly, for what it offers, I think it is a great card. And if your monthly expense on groceries is even 4 to 5k, I think this card is a decent card. Our next category is best cashback card. In this category, there is close competition between SBI Cashback and HDFC Millennia. Both cards offer 5% cashback on online shopping, but in HDFC Millennia, you get a maximum cashback of 1000 per month. In SBI Cashback, you get a benefit of 5000 per month. Plus, in SBI Cashback, you get 5% cashback on almost all online shopping. In HDFC Millennia, you get 5% cashback on Amazon, Flipkart, and Mintra. So, the winner in this category is SBI Cashback Credit Card. SBI Cashback is also one of the best cashback credit cards for online spends because this 5% cashback on all online spends is quite rare even amongst super premium cards. If you spend 2000 to 3000 online a month, then you must have SBI Cashback credit card. I will explain why. SBI Cashback gives you 5% cashback on almost all online spends like Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra, Zomato, Swiggy, everything. In offline spends, you get 1% cashback, and to take this card, you have to pay joining fees of 999 plus GST. So even if you spend 2000 a month online, you will earn 100 rupees cashback per month, meaning 1200 a year. So just from online spends of 2000, you will earn back your joining fees of 999 plus GST anyway. The max limit to earn cashback is 5000 per month. Many people say that this 5000 limit is low, but according to me, this is quite good because to earn this 5000, you will have to spend 1 lakh in a month. This limit of 1 lakh is sufficient for 99% of the population. To take this card, although the joining and annual fees is 999 plus GST, but if you spend 2 lakhs in a year, then your annual fees of 999 plus GST will be waived off. The problem with this card is also that this card has limited acceptability. In that case, you can consider PhonePe SBI Select Black. PhonePe has recently launched two new credit cards, Select Black and Purple. Black has slightly higher annual fees, but its rewards are also better. PhonePe SBI Select Black offers you 10% reward points on PhonePe spends, including recharges, bill payments, insurance, flights, hotels. The monthly limit for cashback is max 2000 per month. You also get 5% cashback on a bunch of other brands like Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Uber, Mintra, Nika. This also has a max capping of 2000 per month. Apart from this, on all other spends, you get flat 1% cashback. This has a max capping of 1000 per month. With this card, you get 4 complimentary domestic launch access and a complimentary priority pass for international launch access for the first 2 years. After that, you will have to pay $99 for it. Although this card has an annual fee of 1500 plus GST, if you spend 3 lakhs in a year, then this fee will be reversed. Additionally, if you spend 5 lakh in 1 year using this card, you will get a reward of 5000 rupees. Now see, till now we have seen 5 to 6 cards. Ahead we will see 5 to 6 more cards. Let me ask this question. Did you understand which card is best for you? In 90% of cases, the answer is a big no. In this product, there is a tool called Find My Card. In this, you can basically tell your details and preferences. Like, look here, I told my preferences, and this tool will find the perfect 3 to 4 cards according to your preferences and recommendations. And you can apply for the card from there as well. Look, right now, this is the first version of CardMatch. So it is possible our recommendations might not be perfect, but our team is actively working on this and improving it every day. The link to the product will be found in the description and pinned comment. Along with card recommendations, this is also a card discovery platform. You can search for any card and apply for it. On this platform, we have handpicked and added the top 60-70 cards. Now look, we know you can apply for a card from many places in India, but still applying for credit cards from CardMatch makes a lot of sense because only CardMatch is such a platform where you are getting flat 250 cashback on almost all cards for the first 1000 folks. We are giving this 250 cashback from our pocket. The bank is not giving you this cashback. And just to be clear, whatever offers the banks have on the credit card, you will get those anyway. This 250 cashback is on top of that, but you will get this within 90 days of card issuance. So effectively, this is like free money. So if you are thinking of applying for any credit card, apply for the card from CardMatch only. You will benefit by 250 anyway, but you will also be supporting this channel in a big way. Again, you will find the link in the description and pinned comment. And if Zomint has ever helped you in any form, please recommend CardMatch to your friend and family and help us make the biggest card discovery platform. With that, let's move to our next category, which is best travel card. In this category, last year we picked the Axis Atlas card. In that, you used to get Axis Edge points, and each point was worth 2 rupees. The reward rate conversion of that card was so good that the card used to be very beneficial. But unfortunately, as it happens in the credit card industry, no good thing ever lasts. Axis discontinued that card in late 2025. Now, in its place has come Axis Horizon. Axis Horizon can be thought of as a downgraded version of Axis Atlas. Axis Horizon has an annual fee of 3000 plus GST, and with this, you get 5000 edge miles. In Axis Atlas, there was a 1 is to 2 conversion of edge miles, but in Axis Horizon, you get only 1 is to 1 conversion. So these 5000 edge miles can be converted to 5000 rupees at various partners like Air France, Accor, Marriott, Singapore Airlines, etc. If we talk about the reward rate, you get 5 edge miles for every rupees 100 spent on transactions like hotels and flight bookings on the Axis Travel Edge portal. This is like 5% cashback if you convert it via partner channels. The biggest downside of this card is that neither is there a spend based fee waiver nor any milestone benefits. You do, however, get a decent number of lounge visits. You get 8 international and 8 domestic launch visits every quarter. This is more than enough. In this category, I would like to give an honorary mention to IndusInd Avios. This is a very premium credit card with annual fees of 10,000 plus GST. In the joining benefit, right now you are getting 40,000 Avios points. Now, how much this translates to in exact rupees is difficult to tell, but one Avios point could even mean 2 to 2.5 rupees if you play your cards right. So effectively, in IndusInd Avios, by paying a fee of 10,000, you can book flight tickets worth up to 80 to 90,000. That's the magic of this card. Our next category is best premium card. See, in this category, my pick would be HDFC Infinia Metal. In HDFC Infinia, normally you get rewards of 3.3%. But if you use it on HDFC Smart Buy, then this could go as high as 16.6%. Let me explain how this works. See, from the Smart Buy portal, you can easily book flight tickets and hotels. And for those bookings, up to 70% can be paid with reward points. The remaining 30% balance you will have to pay with the card. But the good part is that whatever amount you pay with the credit card on the Smart Buy platform, you will earn 16.6% of that in reward points, which is 5x of the normal reward rate. And you can again use these points for flight and hotel bookings. I can't even tell you how many flights I have booked with reward points doing this. Additionally, for international travel, Infinia has something called the Global Value Program. In this program, you get an additional 1% cashback on international spends. The max limit for this is 1 lakh in 1 month. In HDFC Infinia, you get unlimited domestic plus international launch access for yourself and add on card holders. Plus, you get one complimentary night stay in ITC, 1 plus 1 on buffet in ITC hotels, complimentary club, Marriott membership, global personal concierge, and much more. But HDFC Infinia is an invite only card and you need to have a minimum monthly salary of 2.5 to 3 lakhs. So that way, this card is very, very exclusive. Our next category is Best Utility Credit Card. In this category, my pick would be Axis Airtel Credit Card. In India, there are very few cards which offer rewards on monthly bills like broadband, DTH, Wi Fi, etc. And even fewer cards which offer cashbacks on utility bills like gas and electricity. Enter Airtel Access credit card. Airtel Access offers up to 25% cashback on mobile, broadband, Wi-Fi and DTH bill payments. But you will have to make the payment from the Airtel Thanks app and its monthly limit is 250 rupees. Meaning on a monthly bill of 1000 rupees you will get a discount of 25%, which in my opinion is slightly low. On top of it, it also offers 10% cashback on utility bill payments such as gas, electricity if paid via Airtel Thanks app. Its monthly limit is also 250 rupees. Apart from this, you get up to 10% cashback on Swiggy, Zomato, and Big Basket as well. The max capping for this is 500 per month. On all other spends, you get up to 1% cashback. Plus, you also get 4 complimentary domestic launch visits in 1 year. The joining and annual fees of this card is 500 plus GST. But as soon as you pay the joining fees, you get Amazon vouchers of 500. And to waive off annual fees, you have to spend 2 lakh in 1 year. Now see, I am sure after seeing so many cards, you must have gotten quite confused about which card to apply for. If yes, you can go to CardMatch. The link is in the description. Use the Find My Card tool to find the perfect credit card for yourself and apply from there itself. As a welcome benefit, you are getting a 250 voucher on almost all cards for the first 1000 applicants. This is separate from any bank offers that you're getting. We are giving this from our pocket as a thank you for applying for card from CardMatch. Go to the link in the description and check it out right now.